Hi, it's me, Farmer Meggie. Welcome back to Virtual Garden Club. Today, we'll learn how to transplant a seedling that outgrew its container into a bigger one. This is the soil we'll use. 3 things help a seed germinate: warmth from the sun, water, and the nutrients inside the seed. After that, its roots will need more nutrients from the soil to continue to grow into a healthy plant with stems and leaves. We're inside the Paideia greenhouse, where Farmer Aaron grows thousands of seedlings each spring before they get transplanted to a farm. The Cayenne Pepper seedlings are starting to get big, so let's transplant them. A few of my bean buddies actually germinated and started to grow leaves and stems, as well as some roots. This one is a Garbanzo bean. One of my black beans actually grew this entire stem, 2 big leaves, and a whole root system. And you can see the sides of the bean where they split open in order to allow for the plant to grow. So what I'm gonna do today is actually transplant it into a bigger container. If you have a big flower pot like this, you can use this. Otherwise, you can make your own container to put any type of seeds or bean buddies inside. I made this one out of a milk carton just by cutting off the top like this and using a pen to poke some holes in the bottom for water drainage. If you're gonna make your own container like this, make sure you ask an adult to help you. So first thing I'm gonna do is just fill up this container with some soil from the ground. So now I've filled up my container pretty much all the way to the top. Now I'm gonna use my finger, make a little hole, and just carefully place my bean. Only the stem and the leaves are showing at the top. The rest of it is underground. And the bean can continue to use the seed that it grew from as nutrients as it starts to get bigger. Then the last thing you're gonna wanna do is just add a little bit of water. So I've got my water bottle. And you'll wanna make sure to water pretty much every single day if it doesn't rain. And that's how you transplant your bean buddy into a bigger container so it can keep growing.